Welcome to my channel. Check out my YouTube channel. Another day in the office, checking on my hives, doing a few experiments. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channels. Tex apiary sites are situated in the southeast of Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Maintenance on the move. Going down to one of my sites to putty up some gaps and holes that's in the hives. Some car filler bog, hardener, and going to mix this up shortly so that I can fill these cracks up on the hives. The mix is already mixed up, so now I'm going to put it on some of these hives here. Subscribe to learn more. Sealing the ants in forever. The beauty about carbog is that it will go hard very, very quickly. It all depends on how much hardener you put in the mix. Too much mix and you don't get to use all of it in one go. Another hive that's got some rot in the front just above the entrance and some cracks on the left hand side. Surprising how quick you can repair it. Please like, subscribe and comment. Well, that's it. These will last for another few months until after winter, and then I'll replace them with new brood supers and numbers. It's day after the winter solstice, and I can see the bees are starting to bring in a little bit of pollen. So hopefully they'll be on the increase. So this puttying up of the hive will make it that much easier for them to last another few months. These two hives here have been in this position for a number of years and have served me well. I get lots of use out of my equipment, as I like to give it a good paint. I use Solagard or equivalent with a 15-year guarantee, inside and outside. Thanks for watching.